Alright, let's make an easy sausage bake. I'm going to start out with a Kaneka sausage, but you can use brats or kielbasa or andouille. We're going to have some sweet potatoes. We're going to wash them up and cut them into about 1-inch pieces. I'm going to use some bell pepper as well. I'm going to just check to see what I got in the refrigerator. Probably going to be one red one and one yellow one I think I got left over. We'll go with that. And when you're cutting these peppers, I'm usually cutting them into about 1/2 inch to 1 inch size chop cube. Alright, let's get some of that red in there. Again, about 1/2 inch to 1 inch cube. And you can chop it how you like. There's no set rules on how to put this together. I'm going to throw that in the bowl with the sweet potato and get out one of my favorites, a Vidalia onion. Now, I'm down here in the south, and that's why I use the Kaneka sausage as well. But you can use white onion, red onion. It's just up to you what you like, what you enjoy. Alright, let's get this chopped up. Same thing. 1/2 inch cube. Alright, we're going to move on to the Kaneka sausage. We're going to cut these up about 1 inch to 1.5 inch size chunk. Throw them in there in the bowl with everything else. Yeah, that's looking good. That's about a 1 pound package, maybe 1.5 pound package. We're going to start with some avocado oil. You can use olive oil, whatever you have on hand. And we're just going to do this simple with a little salt and some fresh ground cracked black pepper. And I would also use some garlic powder if you want to throw that in there, one of your special seasonings, but that Kaneka sausage really has a lot of flavor going into this. Alright, let's toss it up. I'm going to use 2 sheet trays and some parchment paper. You can just use non-stick sheet tray or 9x13s if you like. And slap down my pre-cut parchment papers. Eyeball it, pour it on there. We're going to put it into a 400-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. We're going to check on it, make sure it's cooking all the way through and getting nice and roasty toasty looking. Going in the oven. I have 2 racks in my oven. You could probably make a smaller batch of this, but I got 2 teenage boys that's going to eat it all. Probably won't be any leftovers. Alright, coming out hot. Oh yeah, it's looking good. And we're just going to take and get this in a big bowl. Yep, put some sauces on it, like some garlic mayo or maybe some sriracha, anything like that. Alright, let's try a piece. Woo, baby, that's a little bit hot, but delicious. Alright, thank y'all.